Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This tuna fish was trying to eat some bread when it accidentally swallowed a seagull.
Mewę, no, zjadł mewę. Tam leży, widzisz? Masz to nagrane.
This dog and cat both fell asleep like this. Sometimes you just need to look at things from a different perspective. This shark swam right in the middle of this giant ball of fish. Here's a dog that's really excited to go to bed.
Ready? Good night.
Just because many of us can't leave the house right now doesn't mean you can't explore the outdoors. This is what it's like to go biking in Utah. This person likes to go freediving under enormous icebergs. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later!